Antennas are the unsung heroes of modern communication. From your smartphone to satellite dishes, antennas play a crucial role in transmitting and receiving signals. In this video, we'll explore the applications of 4 popular antenna types: monopole, dipole, Yagi, and LPDA antennas. Let's dive in. First up, the monopole antenna, known for its simple design and omnidirectional radiation pattern. The monopole antenna is widely used in situations where signals need to radiate evenly in all directions. Applications include mobile phones, handheld radios, and vehicle-mounted antennas commonly used by police, emergency services, and taxis. You'll also find monopole antennas in AM and FM broadcasting systems. Their simplicity and versatility make them ideal for everyday communication needs. Next, we have the dipole antenna, often referred to as the basic antenna. The dipole has a balanced radiation pattern and is frequently used as a reference antenna in testing environments. You'll find dipole antennas in indoor and outdoor TV systems, FM radio antennas, and wireless communication setups. They're especially popular for their simplicity and effectiveness. This symmetry makes them a go-to choice for consistent signal reception. The Yagi antenna, with its highly directional design, is perfect for long-range communication. Applications include over-the-air TV signal reception, ham radio communication, and extending wireless network ranges. Its ability to focus signals in one direction ensures reliable performance over long distances. Finally, the Lock Periodic Dipole Array, or LPDA antenna. Known for its wide frequency range, the LPDA is a versatile and reliable choice for dynamic applications. You'll find LPDAs in telecommunications, spectrum monitoring, and even military and scientific research. Their ability to handle a broad spectrum of frequencies makes them invaluable in diverse scenarios. So whether you need the simplicity of a monopole, the balance of a dipole, the precision of Yagi, or the versatility of an LPDA, each antenna type has a unique strength tailored to specific applications. Have a question about antennas or a topic you would like us to cover next? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more technical insights. Links to videos on how to design these antennas we've talked about in this video are in the description below. This is Trevor from Telecom Training. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.